Welcome, small business owners. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? Well, we're here to tell you that it's not just a dream. In fact, it's entirely possible for small business owners like you to achieve extraordinary success and amass incredible wealth. Via our videos, we share concepts and possible use of innovative techniques for harnessing the power of technology to scale your business. We show you the proven methods that are currently propelling small business owners from the corner store to the corner office. Subscribe to our channel and continue to be inspired and equipped with the knowledge and motivation to unlock your own entrepreneurial potential. Let's cut to the chase and check out some facts about small business ownership in the USA. Fact check 1. Did you know 1,700 people in America are becoming millionaires every day? This fact was reported by Fortune on November 21, 2016. I noticed Grant Cardone used this very fact in a recent sales video that's making its rounds on social media. Fact check 2. Do you know how many millionaires are in the US in 2023? Almost 22 million. Yes, you heard me right. That's about 7% of the total US population. This fact was reported by Finn Masters, in an article published on January 9, 2023. Fact check 3, as posted by Zippia on November 17, 2022, 88% of millionaires are self-made entrepreneurs, which means they did not inherit family wealth to get where they are today. In the same article, Zippia says 58% of small business owners started on their own. Zippia also says 20% of startups in the USA fail within first 2 years of operations, and the Small Business Administration of the USA states half of new businesses shut down before they are 5 years old. That's an alarming number, wouldn't you agree? Fact check 4. A Wall Street Journal report states small business owners are the largest class of millionaires in this country, larger than investors, executives, and those who got lucky and inherited wealth. Fact check 5. Georgia State University marketing professor Thomas Stanley has been studying the affluent in America for more than 3 decades. He says the likelihood of a person becoming a millionaire is 10 times higher if they own their own business. Are you still wondering if or not you should start your own business? Watch our video series to learn how you can take your business to the next level of earnings and profits.